Girl, I look pasty as so pasty.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, deja.zhane. How you doing? Today we're going to be doing a makeup revolution review. And yeah, so sit back, relax, and watch the review. Yes, my mustache is red because I just waxed it and it was a bad idea, but I did it anyway. It's called Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Whew. So here it is. How many ounces, girl? Let's see how many ounces this is. 8 fluid ounce bottle. I think that's glass. And I picked up the color C13. This better be C13 because it says F13 here. And I don't know what the F13 is because I clearly asked for C13. Oh, look. I went to Ulta, my nearest Ulta, and before picking up the foundation, I decided to, look on the Ulta app, I was trying to be buyer savvy. On the Ulta app, the colors go by like F. But online, like when I go to the Ulta site, like www.ulta.com, it's going by C. So C and F is the same. This shade is F13. I think some people did pay $12, but I paid $7 at Ulta. All right, so let's get into the claims, girl. Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, Jesus, is designed for long-lasting coverage featuring 24 shades, which really ain't the business, and I'm gonna touch on that. Ranging from fair to deep in cool, neutral, and warm undertones. Lightweight yet full coverage concealer to cover blemishes, even skin tone, and counteract dark circles with a matte finish that won't settle or accelerate fine lines and pores. Whew. That's a lot, and I think it could have been worded better, but okay, girl. Yeah, the shade range. It's only 24, which honestly isn't enough. That's not enough because I had a hard time. I compared my favorite foundation. Like, I brought it in as a reference because, I don't order foundations online because I don't want to order a foundation and then when I get it, it's like totally off. I don't spend my money. And, you spend more when you order it online. And I compared the two. And honestly, it was a little off. This matches me perfectly. C13 is for medium dark skin tones with a golden undertone. So I was stuck in between 13 or 12. And 12 was too light. It don't look golden. If anything, this looks more cool. It don't look gold. This looks golden. And what's so crazy about this one's neutral, but whatever. I don't like frosted containers because you really can't see what color this is. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this little oil on my face before I apply my foundation. It claims to be like a semi-matte, like a demi-matte, but a lot of people were saying that it's full-on matte. Oh, I'm scared. This might be too dark. That's too dark. Ooh. See, this is why I was not about to order nothing online because I can't tell. The other one looked too light. Girl. Goddamn, this is dark. This might be a fail, y'all. I don't want to take this shit back. Look, See, on camera, it don't look that dark, but girl, this is dark. I didn't know. And you know what's so crazy? They didn't have any testers. For some odd reason, they were like, oh, we don't have it out yet. We have to grab it in the bag, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, okay. So, look, this is going to be a fail because this is already too red. What golden undertone? This is red. I mean, maybe I can fix it with... I blame Ulta. Why y'all ain't have y'all stuff set out so I can so I can test it out and see if it's the correct color? This is way darker. Look at my scalp. Like, look at this and look at my neck.
Stop recording. go look. I want you to go look in the bathroom because you got a lot of lights on you. Go look in the bathroom.
That ain't gonna work. As y'all can see, my hair looks different. I had to regroup myself. I went to the store. I went to Ulta and I decided to return that foundation. It was too damn red. Well, I wanted to get 12.5, but my Ulta, the nearby Ulta that I went to, did not have 12.5. I called 2 Ultas and they did not have 12.5. I decided to just go a shade up. I'm just not about to spend extra coins on this foundation, like to order online to get 12.5. No, I'm not about to do that. So I went ahead and got 12. Girl, we just gonna do this. The whole experience has been a waste of time. Don't look that bad, but we're gonna swipe it. Yeah, I don't know, girl. Oh my god. I'm at a point where I shouldn't have to buy 2 foundations to get my color. I'm not gonna spend extra money just to make an old cheap foundation work. Well, I could just go buy NYX when I can buy Maybelline. Shoot, even L'Oreal has it better. And I'm talking about the old L'Oreal. They have a better shade range than this. They only have 24 colors. And the undertones they suck. They're bad. I might as well have just kept, I don't know. At least this one is not red, but I'm giving you pasty face. Girl, I look sick. This is horrible. I like this concealer, but I don't know if it's gonna do it any justice. This might make me look worse. This is the color C7 in the Makeup Revolution. I was looking for C8, they didn't have that. It ain't no way that 12.5 is like the only shade I could wear. You should at least have like at least 2 shades out the whole little spectrum that I should be able to wear, but I can't. And what is it with foundations with the red undertone? Not all black people are red. Like, what the hell is that all about? I'm not. So yeah, to salvage it, I'm going to Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha to kind of warm up my face, to bring some melanin back. So I decided to apply my face off camera. I was about to give you a full-on beat because I don't like this foundation. Girl, no. Do I like it? Hell no. I was able to make it work, but I had to put like hella contour bronzer on just for it to look wearable. And I just feel like I shouldn't have to do that. No, this is too light. I did get flashback because I decided to take a picture, and maybe I'll insert a clip somewhere. Hella flashback, but that's to be expected because it's not my color. It's alright. It's okay. Like, as far as like the finish, I'm not gonna give this all day wear test because I don't like it. It's not my color, and you know what? I wouldn't wear it all day, so I don't know how the wear would be. But for $7, look, if the color is already off, I can only expect it not to last that long. It's not. I know it's not long lasting, and it's only $7. No, I don't like this. I don't want to put this on my face. I like a pump. I'm a little pump girl. Girl, no. Save your coins. Save your $7. Go ahead and get you like a highlighter or a lip gloss or something. You'd be better off doing that. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I didn't. And I will see y'all next time. Peace out.